ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ತುಳುಬುಲಿನೇರು ಇನ್ನೇನೊಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್ ಬಾರ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೆನ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು unbox a platinum coin which is purchased from Flipkart in the 2nd of February March order maltana and 6th delivery aithu. I ordered it on 2nd of February March and I got delivered on it got delivered on 6th of March. Now we'll see the bar. It has come with this kind of package, secured package. Here in front of address and other details mentioned. Inchonji secured package mentioned battitinde. Now I'll open the package. Again, one more package. Okay. This is the box and here is the bill. First of all we'll see the bill. This is the bill. Here is mentioned Bangalore Refinery 999 1 gram platinum bar and the cost is 8,160 is the MRP and discount was 327 rupees was the discount and after the discount it has 7,604 rupees 86 paisa and GST was 114 rupees 7 paisa. Including GST I paid around 7,833 rupees. Then rate ಬರ್ತದೆ 8,150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ 327 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ನ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 7,604 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬುಕ್ಕ 114 ರೂಪಾಯಿ GST ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾತಾತ ಇನ್ನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 7,833 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. This is the rate. Now we'll see the bill. This is the this kind of metal box it has come. Metal box ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. We'll see. This is the bar. It's a beautiful small 1 gram platinum bar from BRPL. Here in the it's with the certificate, a tamper-proof certificate. So secured package, and here in front their brand name and the logo is mentioned, and here in the top on top platinum is mentioned, and the back side metal fitness is 999 purity and 1 gram net weight, metal weight, but there is no weight tolerance. Yes, weight tolerance is mentioned here, plus or minus 20 milligram. And then certificate ಅದು ಬರ್ತದೆ in the front ಆಗಲಿ BRPL ಆಗಲಿ logo mention ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Back side ಆಗಲಿ metal fitness 999 purity ಇಂದ 1 gram metal weight and then weight tolerance ಬರ್ತದೆ plus or minus 20 milligram. Plus or minus 20 milligram ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೇಪು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಲೇಪು. So now we'll see the bar. This is the bar. Here it is engraved. The logo is engraved B here and BRPL 1 gram platinum 999 and in the back side it's a plain, nothing is mentioned, design engraved. In the front that aglena logo mention atandu aglena brand name 1 gram platinum bar and beautiful small 1 gram platinum bar. This is my second platinum bar. I hope you like the video. Kindly like the channel, share the channel and subscribe my channel. Like malplay, share malplay, subscribe malplay. Thank you.